Hey, food explorers! Welcome to Curiosity Satisfactions. Today we're shaking up your meals with 5 rare vegetables you've probably never tried. These gems are packed with flavor, nutrients, and serious wow factor. Ready to transform your kitchen? Let's dive in. First up, Romanesco. This green beauty looks like a sci-fi broccoli. It's from Italy, first popping up near Rome in the 16th century. Today, it's grown in Europe and parts of the US, especially California. It is loaded with vitamin C and fiber, with a nutty, mild taste. How to use it? Roast it with garlic and olive oil, crisp and delicious. Find it in farmers markets or specialty stores. It's a plate upgrade you won't regret. Next, purple yam or uba. Vibrant and stunning. It is native to Southeast Asia, especially the Philippines, where it's a cultural star. It's now cultivated there in Japan and even Hawaii. You get antioxidants from that purple hue, plus potassium and vitamin C. How to use it? Mash it with coconut milk or make sweet uba pancakes. Find it in Asian markets or online, fresh, frozen, or powdered. Number 3, Salsify. Don't let its scruffy look fool you. It is from the Mediterranean, used in Europe since ancient times, now grown in France, the United Kingdom, and some US regions. It is high in fiber and inulin for gut health, with an oyster-like flavor. How to use it? Roast it with butter and herbs, earthy and creamy. Find it with specialty grocers or online. It's a hidden gem. Up next, Kohlrabi. This quirky veggie is out of this world. It is from Northern Europe, bred from wild cabbage in the 1500s, now grown in Germany, the United States, and beyond. It has potassium, vitamin C, and a crisp, sweet crunch. How to use it? Peel and slice it raw for salads or roast it with spices. Find it in farmers markets or organic stores. Look for green or purple. Finally, Celeriac, the ugly duckling of veggies. It is from the Mediterranean, popularized in Europe by the 1600s. Today, it's big in France, the United Kingdom, and the United States. It is rich in vitamin K and low in carbs, with a subtle celery kick. How to use it? Roast it into fries or blend it into creamy soup. Find it in root veggie sections or farmers markets. It's a must-try. There you go. 5 rare veggies from around the globe to level up your meals. Romanesco from Italy, uba from the Philippines, Salsify from the Mediterranean, Kohlrabi from Europe, and Celeriac from ancient roots. Which one's calling your name? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. See you next time. Happy cooking!